Hello everyone. This is a recording of Lab 8. In Lab 7, we were supposed to install Exchange Server. Of course, we didn't have time, unfortunately. Last week I was not available. So after the installation of Exchange Server, after implementing that step, you will get access to something called Exchange Admin Center. And in Exchange Admin Center, this is basically the main interface that is used to administer Exchange. From there, you can add users, you can configure your mail server, you can create mail flow settings. There are many things that can be achieved from that admin center. And I'm sure most of the features are already covered in the theory part of this course. Now, the main thing that you need to notice is that we no longer need to rely on virtual machines. So all the steps that we're going to do in Lab 8, Lab 9, Lab 10, and Lab 11 can be done online. There's no need for you to use the Lab PC. You can use the Lab PC, but you can do the steps from your tablet, from your personal laptop, your personal PC, from any device, basically. Okay. So without further ado, I will share with you, of course, the file for the lab. All you need to do is follow the steps. Of course, now we have this URL, which we need to use to access our Exchange instance. I will copy the URL and paste it in Google Chrome or any browser, that doesn't matter. And following the steps, all you need to do is just type in administrator and use this password, ktek@123.com, to log in to Exchange Admin Center. Once you log in, you'll have access to the Exchange Admin Center dashboard. From here, of course, you can create mailbox accounts, you can configure, as we mentioned, settings related to Exchange. Following the steps, of course, for this lab 8, we need only to create a mailbox account. So how to create a mailbox account? We go to step 4. Just click on the plus button, user mailbox. It will take you to this page. Okay. Now in this page, all you need to do is use your student ID as alias. Okay. So if your student ID is this, as an example, just use it here as an alias, and then click on new user. And new user, just fill in the details as mentioned. So first name, of course, use your first name. I'll pretend this is my first name, Ali, and use your last name for last name. Again, this is just an example. Display name and name, it will be your first name and last name with space. And then last but not least, your user login name. There's no need to set the organization unit. You can set it. You can select users, of course. And then for the user login name, just use your student ID as well. Okay. For password, please use the same password so I can change it later, or if something goes wrong, you can fix it. The password that we always use is ktek@123.com. Okay. So use the same password for everything, so it will be easy to remember, and click save. It is as simple as that. Now, if you follow the steps properly, you should see a new user account created. Okay. So this is it. Of course, you need to take screenshot 1 of you just visiting the page, and screenshot 2 after creating the user account. So of this page, I should see your new user account here. Okay. So this is screenshot 2. And this is it for lab 8. Thank you. I'll see you in the next lab.